Growing watermelon can be an incredibly rewarding experience. Whether you are a home gardener looking for fresh summer fruit or a farmer planning a large harvest for commercial purposes, this comprehensive guide will walk you through the entire process, covering everything from choosing the right variety and preparing the soil to planting, nurturing the vines, and finally harvesting ripe, sweet watermelons. By carefully following these steps, you can ensure a successful and bountiful harvest. Let's dive in and get started. Welcome to today's episode, where we will take you through the detailed, step-by-step process of growing delicious and juicy watermelons. Whether you are a beginner trying your hand at gardening for the first time or an experienced farmer looking to refine your techniques, this guide will provide you with valuable insights to help you achieve the best results. One of the first and most important steps in growing watermelons is selecting the right variety. Some of the most common and popular types include Sugar Baby, Crimson Sweet, and Charleston Gray. When choosing a variety, take into account the climate in your area, as well as the condition of your soil. Different watermelon varieties thrive under different conditions, so picking the right one for your specific environment can make a significant difference in the quality and quantity of your harvest. Now let's move on to soil preparation. Watermelons grow best in soft, well-draining sandy loam soil with a pH level between 6.0 and 6.8. Before planting, it is highly recommended to enrich the soil with organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure to improve fertility and nutrient content. Additionally, ensure that the planting area receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day, as watermelons require ample sunlight to grow and develop properly. Consistent watering is crucial for watermelon plants, particularly during their early growth stages. Deep watering of about 1 to 2 inches per week is recommended, but be mindful not to overwater, as excessive moisture can lead to root rot and other issues. When fertilizing, use a balanced fertilizer that is rich in nitrogen during the early stages of growth to promote strong vine development. Once the flowers begin to appear, switch to a fertilizer high in phosphorus and potassium to encourage fruit production and sweetness. Pollination plays a vital role in fruit development, and watermelons rely heavily on bees for this process. If natural pollination is insufficient, you can manually pollinate the flowers by transferring pollen from male flowers to female flowers using a small brush or cotton swab. Regularly check your plants for pests, such as aphids and beetles, and, if needed, use organic pest control methods to keep infestations at bay. Additionally, pruning excess vines can help direct the plant's energy toward producing larger and healthier fruit. After successful pollination, tiny watermelons will start forming on the vines. To prevent the fruits from rotting, place them on top of straw or use a melon cradle to keep them off the ground. As the fruit matures, gradually reduce watering to enhance the watermelon's natural sweetness. This will help concentrate the sugars within the fruit, making it more flavorful when harvested. Knowing when to harvest your watermelon is key to ensuring the best taste and texture. A watermelon is ready to be picked when the tendril closest to the fruit turns brown, and the underside of the fruit develops a yellowish color. Another reliable method is the sound test. Gently tap on the watermelon. If it produces a deep, hollow sound, it is ripe and ready to be harvested. Use a sharp knife or garden shears to cut the fruit from the vine carefully, and there you have it. Fresh, homegrown watermelon, ready to be enjoyed. Thank you for joining us today on this journey of growing watermelons from start to finish. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and insights. See you next time.